Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Father, did you wake up, my son? Today is Friday, and we're ready for a fishing trip.
Son, yes, Dad, I woke up and I'm excited to go. Are you ready?
Father, of course, we have everything ready. We have rods and equipment in the car, and meals and drinks in the trunk. Have you collected everything you need?
Son, yes, Dad, I have everything with me. She checked the rod and food, and also grabbed some extra supplies like hats and sunscreen.
Father, great, it's a beautiful day for a fishing trip. The sky is clear and the weather is mild. Let's go to the lake and start fishing. After driving the car and arriving at the lake. Father, here we are, we have reached the lake. We lower the boats and start fishing.
Son, Dad, look. Do you see those birds in the sky? She is beautiful.
Father, yes, it's really great. Birds give this place a sense of peace and beauty. Let's start by casting the rods. After a few hours of fishing.
Son, looks like we're having good luck today. We have many fish in the basket already.
Father, yes, it's a really successful trip. This lake is a great place for fishing. The atmosphere here is magical.
Son, I enjoyed this day very much, Dad. Thank you for arranging this trip.
Father, no thanks are due, my son. I'm glad we had this time together and that we enjoyed the fishing trip. These memories will stay with us forever.
Son, yes, those will be great memories. I'll help you clean the fish when we get home.
Father, I would be happy with that, my son. Now let's go home and enjoy our fresh fish meal.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.